स्पोर्ट्स शूज़ पसंद है, स्लीपर वगैरह में कभी देखते हैं, जस्ट स्लीपर्स में कोई भी नॉर्मल चल जाती है।
Sports shoes. Bellies suits us. So for day-to-day life, we use bellies. Kind of slippers also.
Formal footwear as well as casual footwear. Loafers and casual shoes. Sandals.
लेटेस्ट स्पोर्ट्स फॉर्मल शूज़ होते हैं, लेदर शूज़।
मोस्टली स्पोर्ट्स यूज़ करता हूँ।
should be comfortable, durability होनी चाहिए।
Formals, casuals, loafers, sneakers and all we wear.
Mainly casuals, wedges, gladiators, all that.
Sports shoes, floaters, chappals, formal shoes.
Shoes, sports shoes, formal shoes, all kind of footwears.
कंफर्टेबल है सबसे ज़्यादा, बेस्ट फैब्रिक, लाइट वेट रहता है, उसके बाद इंजरीज भी कम होती है। नाइकी, एडिडास, लोकल वगैरह कोई शूज़ पहनते तो उसमें नीचे से कट वगैरह हो जाते हैं, छाले हो जाते हैं, वो नहीं होता।
We're not brand conscious. We usually go for Bata and all because it's not so costly, not that cheaper also, and it's like suits us a lot. Stylish chappals, which is usually available in road sides like Puma, Reebok. These are international brands.
Obviously a brand conscious guy. I have Woodland, I have Bata, I use Adidas, Nike.
नॉन ब्रांडेड भी चल जाता है, एक बाटा और लिबर्टी। स्पोर्ट्स में पुमा।
नहीं, पहले तो कोई ब्रांड चलेगा, जैसे एक्सन वैक्स, कैंपस वगैरह के हो, लखानी के हो, जैसे नाइक है, एडिडास है, जो ब्रांड के लेते हैं
तो अच्छे चलते हैं।
अच्छे चलते हैं।
Basically, I always go for stilettos, and for shoes, I go for Reebok. Designs are very nice, very attractive.
A mix of it. Like a long keep, like if I have to invest in boots, I will go for branded boots.
LP, then Reebok and Nike. For formals, I go for Lee Cooper as well sometimes because I am comfortable with these brands.
Cobblers, Jovi, whatever it is called, Clarks.
ज़्यादातर ब्रांडेड ही, अनब्रांडेड मतलब इन द सेंस वो डिपेंड करता है डिज़ाइन पे, क्योंकि ज़्यादातर ब्रांड्स की ही दुकानें हैं आजकल स्पोर्ट्स में, लाइक नाइकी एंड एडिडास, फॉर कंफर्ट, फॉर डिजाइनिंग।
I don't prefer any brand, frankly speaking. My preference starts with pricing.
क्वालिटी और कलर अट्रैक्टिव हो, जैसे रेड हो गया, उसके बाद ग्रीन या ब्लैक ब्लू, 3-4 हज़ार रुपये नॉर्मल स्पोर्ट्स शूज़।
Comfortability. So food is the important part of our body. Colors, being girls, we are color free. Red and red.
For formal footwear, it's more important for me is durability. Comfortable, it is for my feet. Obviously, how it looks like, designs, this two are the most important.
डिपेंड करता है कि उसके नीचे की सोल कैसी लगी हुई है, या कितनी कंफर्टेबल है, कितना ग्रिपिंग की बात सब चलता है।
लेदर देख लेते, उसमें लेदर भी देखता हूँ, डिजाइन का भी लुक कैसा, पैर में फिट बैठा नहीं, नीचे का भी देखते हैं कि वो घिसे घिसे की ना, थोड़ा बजट में हो, डिस्काउंट हो।
The footwears are very much durable for me, and long lasting also. You can see.
Key factors are design, comfort,
Obviously price, the longness of the product.
Comfort is very important, design is very important, shape.
First thing comes into mind is about weight. Weight wise it should be okay. Look wise it should be okay. Fitting.
पहन के देख लेते हैं, पता रहता है कि कैसा है, उसके बाद क्या पता ऑनलाइन कैसा चीज़ आए, फिर वापस भेजना पड़ता है, वही बात है।
If you go for shoes, you don't know actually your size because every company or brand have different parameters over there. We don't prefer online shopping for shoes because online we cannot try it.
Obviously, there is a difference that has come in because of e-commerce. I prefer going to e-commerce site. I've also found them very cheap. There are much more options to choose while you go to e-commerce.
नहीं बदलता रहता है, नहीं ऑनलाइन को भी नहीं सकते।
हाँ हाँ, खरीदे नहीं, लेकिन हाँ चेक करते हैं कि ऑनलाइन चेक करके देखें।
I go for flats, and it's very good ranges there of flat footwears at Stilettos, and I don't think so I would like to go for some other brand. I go to a shop or a mall.
A bit. I mean, I preferably go to a shop and buy footwear, but then yes, I have also bought 1 or 2 pair of footwear. For me, it was good. I in fact bought my wedding day ka outfit ke saath wala from online only.
I have never bought anything from online. Few friends of mine they got it, but the quality was not good. So
अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है, लेकिन आई एम ऑल्सो थिंकिंग ऑनलाइन लूंगा, क्योंकि इतनी अच्छी अच्छी डील्स आती हैं।
I have not changed my pattern. I have done some online shopping also. We don't know like what quality it is coming. We prefer going to the store.
बाटा शूज़ तो उसके पावर के आते हैं, पिक्चर कंपनी जो उस पे है, कौन सा, महाराणा प्रताप चौक पे।
Local brand, which is not local actually. Bata is from Bangladesh, but still local for us. Not that good, but still good. And suits our pocket. Only for reasonable.
Yes. It's a durability, ease of use.
बाटा की बेल्ट्स हैं, स्लीपर्स हैं, सैंडल्स हैं, काफ़ी कुछ है, बाटा की प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, अच्छी ब्रांडेड हैं, सही चीज़ बनाती हैं, और आजकल बाटा भी रेक्सिन यूज़ करने लगी है।
हाँ, बाटा सुना। क्वालिटी अच्छी होती है.
In my childhood, I have bought so many shoes of Bata. It's okay. The thing is that designs are not there. It's fine with durabilities.
Yeah.
Bata is more concerned with comfort.
या बाटा के स्कूल शूज याद है मेरे को.
Yes. Bata is a good company. School time we used to wear Bata shoes. Very traditional and very simple kind of styles.
बाटा ठीक है.
Bata, they have very limited stock. Bata have a very limited range of e-tools over there. They are lacking in advertising.
I guess there was a point of time when Bata became associated with the brand which is going down. But now I guess again Bata is back and we have products from Hush Puppies and everything. And they're very good, they're comfortable and they're durable as well. Bata has grown from where it was. It went down but now today it's a very good brand.
उसके जो लुक बाद मेरे को ना उसके डिजाइन पसंद नहीं आता. पुराने पुराने भारी भारी से अजीब अजीब से.
It's okay. Not at all. The shoes are very simple.
बाटा का नाम सुनते ही एक चीज 100% श्योर है, दैट इज मजबूती. बाटा के बारे में पहले ये भी मशहूर था कि उनकी डिजाइनिंग अच्छी नहीं है, लेकिन अब वो मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा. मेरे को तो उनकी डिजाइनिंग भी ठीक लगती है.
घर में जैसे चप्पल ऊपर लाते सारी बाटा से ही लेके आते यार. पिछली दिवाली पे मम्मी को शूज़ गिफ्ट किए थे. अच्छा था. बेल्ट लेके आया.
Formal shoes, like the shoes is from Bata. Leather bags and all, because they have limited range of bags. Farmers' suits are pocket. Secondly, good quality, because once you buy Bata, then you actually think like टूट जाए यार, टूट जाए, नया खरीदना है.
Hush Puppies, Bata sandals and chappals as well. Yes, I've been using Bata for some time.
शूज़ ही आते हैं बाटा के, फॉर्मल शूज़ लेदर के. बाटा के शूज़ मैंने अभी परचेज किए थे, उसकी और मैंने बताया ना उसकी ईयर से उसमें ओपन हो गई हैं तो खराब लगने लगी.
बाटा के एक बार के बाद दोबारा मैंने जूते नहीं लिए. मैं गया था, एक सैंडल पसंद आए थे, सेल लगी हुई थी, अच्छे पसंद है, लेकिन उसका कलर पसंद नहीं आया.
Sneakers, then slippers, flip-flops from them. I got my pair of sneakers last year.
I got my slippers from Bata almost 6 months back. Recently, I had gone to this Bata store which I have on Khansa Road to buy my slippers and all. So the people staff there are very lethargic. Oh, few staff they are not even bothered as in who has come. There was a person who told me कि साहब this यही price है, लेना है तो लो, नहीं तो छोड़ दो.
I think they're trying to get younger, but then it's not really kind of working out very well for them.
Hush Puppies. Yeah, I bought slippers. Good. Still using those.
Almost like 2-3 years back, this is the last time I went to Bata. That time we found the attitude of the people very lethargic there.
When Bata was going down, yes, obviously I stopped using it. But then again a point of time came when I saw Bata ads coming again. I saw those stuff in the market again, new products, new design, which caught the eye. So I started using them again. Commercial, I believe that's from Bata only, where the kids were running around. When I was pretty small at that time, but I believe kids were running in rain and in mud and in sand and were doing Bata shoes and then going.
बाटा की वो आजकल भी आते हैं, टीवी में एड्स आते हैं, वो लड़कियाँ अपने स्लीपर्स की और फ्लोटर्स वगैरह की करती रहती हैं, तो लोग ऐड देखे जाते हैं शूज़ का. तो बहुत रियल चांस है बाटा के, वो स्कूल के बच्चे ऐड करते थे बहुत पहले, अब तो खैर ही नहीं. वो
पहले बाटा की टीवी में आती थी, बाटा चप्पल, वो तो पता है बस.
In my childhood, I have seen, but not right now.
I don't really remember.
बहुत पहले आती थी ऐड. रिसेंट ईयर्स में कुछ नहीं. ऐड से ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ स्टोर्स और डिज़ाइन से मैटर करेगा.
I don't remember any ad from Bata.
ऑनलाइन ट्राई नहीं किया है.
Yes, recently I have not gone to any online website for shoes, although it go, but recently I have not. If the brand is good, I prefer shopping online only.
आजकल तो सब कुछ ही ऑनलाइन हो गया है. बाटा है तो बाटा तो फिर भी ब्रांडेड हो गया एक तरह में, तो बेचता ही है. हाँ, उधर ज़्यादा ही जरूरत पड़ी, नीड पड़ेगी. यहाँ बाटा ने क्वालिटी सुधार ली है, नज़र में आ गया, मैं दोबारा तो ज़रूर करेंगे.
No, I'm not aware about this.
Yes, that I'm aware. Maybe Jabong has some of their this thing. I think Hoops have their stock. No, never. I will always go into the store and buy Bata.
पता नहीं, मैंने चेक नहीं किया. Why not?
Yes, I am aware. Online, I have not purchased anything from Bata till now.
मिडिल क्लास.
Once upon a time, I guess Bata was associated with middle class people, people with the low middle class. I guess today Bata for me is associated with office going people in the professional life, people who represent the growth and development, the growth of the country, and I guess Bata is quite synonymous with that.
औरतों के जूते उते भी ना, वो तो औरतों के तो ठीक होते हैं उसमें, तो ज्यादा जो एज्ड है होता है ना, एज 40 ऊपर 50 55 के,
Like 30-35 years plus age.
Always people who are not that much keen towards the designs, they need durability, especially the lower segment. I mean, people at different levels they have, but not this segment.
I think middle income, anything between 30 to 40.
That is suitable for maybe older age group from like 35-40 years above.
इतना तो नहीं पता।
Shrileather's high.
Good leather quality, especially for ladies.
Khadim is one of the brand.
Places from where I came, Bata I used to generally compare with Liberty.
Okay.
Liberty or Action shoes maybe.
Okay.
But Liberty would be still.
एडिडास है, नाइक है, और आपके रीबॉक है, इनमें रेड सीफ है।
नाइक में जाएंगे, पूमा में जाएंगे, इनमें जाएंगे ना, इन कंपनियों में, रीबॉक वगैरह में, तो इनमें एक से बढ़ के एक आपको मिलेगा, लुक भी मिलेगा, कलर भी मिलेंगे, स्टाइलिश भी मिलेंगे।
All the local brands you can say, or the previous brands like Action and all that, these Lakhani, these are only
Liberty, Relaxo,
Action.
Action is there. I think they have similar brand image.
Visual में देखें तो रेड टेप, वुडलैंड, डिजाइन सेंस, काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट।
Lakhani, Action, like very desi type and Babu type of brands.
वैरायटी ज़्यादा निकाले, जो जूता पसंद आता है उसमें साइज नहीं मिलता।
Color combination, they have a kind of, you know, hard and fast color. They must go for cheeky color advertisement because it's not a famous brand.
In terms of fair, they also provide belts, purse, bags, carry bags. Bata should also do that.
I'll say a bit more aggressive in the way they promote themselves. Maybe bring a different kind of more variety, a more bigger product portfolio, whereas there is a large number of shoes available for the people to choose from.
कुछ ऐसा करके दिया कि क्वालिटी का पता लगे, हम लेदर ही यूज़ करते हैं आज भी।
आज जो चल रही है, आजकल जो कल्चर में चल रहा है, बढ़िया जूते, सूट, स्टाइलिस्ट।
should give some advertisement or should prepare some banners, should provide some good discounts and some good design should be there, make some attractive designs or some good colors.
Maybe they can do a repricing of these products.
Rather than redesigning of the products they have.
Maybe they can try their hands at branding. I'm sure that should help.
The designing should be better. Stores ज़्यादा होने चाहिए।
Do some active marketing